I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a very quick makeup look, a matte, smoky eye I don't know. I tried the EYN Fiery Matte from BeautyBay and I wanted to see how, they work, like the pigmentation, all of that stuff. And I really like how this looks. I don't have any shimmers. I didn't highlighted my brow bone or my inner corners, so I don't know, I feel like it's pretty cute. I really love this shade, Carpe Diem and Sunset, these two shades right here. Oh my god, so good. I did have a little bit of fallout, nothing crazy, and they do blend very well. So yeah, I already tried their formula before, so this is not my first time trying BeautyBay eyeshadows. Today I did only the eyes on camera. Also I applied a little bit of this glowy, glossy blush highlight, whatever this is. I really like how glossy my skin looks, and I did the lips, so I'm assuming it's a short one. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look using this palette, then keep on watching. guys, so this is the finished look. As you saw, I did use almost all the colors in this palette. I didn't use these two right here, but I used, wow, 6-7 eyeshadows on my eyes. Wow. But this is a very quick tutorial. You just have to blend the colors. So yeah, I really like the formula. I feel like they are buildable, blendable, so pigmented, but they do feel a little bit powdery, but kinda in a good way. I don't know how to explain that. The pigmentation is still there, even though they feel a little bit powdery. And also I did have a little bit of fallout under my eyes, nothing crazy. Overall, I do like their formula, and I don't know, this eyeshadow palette gives me all the vibes. This screams summer to me somehow. I don't know. Overall, I really like this, and I think it was only 8 euros, 9 euros. I don't know. Yeah, well done, BeautyBay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below if you guys tried their formula, like their eyeshadows. I know they have more products, so yeah, let me know down below if you guys tried BeautyBay products. And I guess I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Talk to me.